Viva Learning is a great application where you can send people directly into Microsoft Teams. They click on the Learning app and they get access to all the courses that you have made available to them, from LinkedIn Learning to Microsoft Learn and so much more. Now, I have many other videos regarding Viva Learning that you can watch on YouTube if you like, but essentially it's a learning destination that you can send people to. Now, what about the same people, the same employees when they are in your human resources portal or OneDrive or SharePoint, your intranet? How do they get access to the same courses here, but even in addition to that, get access to your policies, announcements, and so much more? Let me show you how VisualSP, when paired up with Viva Learning, could provide that comprehensive solution together. So in this case, let me start with the Human Resources portal. I'm in Human Resources portal looking at the policies page. Now I have no idea how to get to those courses that I know exist in Viva Learning. Well, if I click on the VisualSP system, which is right here, the tab, I will see all the different courses that I have access to. In this case, I have access to a couple of them: building relationships, organizing your remote office. If I click on one of them, the same information, the same course that would have come up through Microsoft Teams, now coming, in this case, from LinkedIn Learning, is coming directly here within the browser. Yeah? But the story doesn't stop here. The story goes way beyond that. So let's say if this employee is in the dashboard right now. Now, I know that if, let's say, this is the first time for this person to come here, or maybe even if it's not the first time, I have this widget that's drawing the attention of the person the way I have, any way you have configured it. In this case, it's telling me that if you click on this, I'll give you a site overview, right? A walkthrough starts up in this case, showing me what each of these navigation links are about: attendance, leave management, and so forth. So this button, this walkthrough, everything generated using VisualSP without any code, just click and configure. Once again, the story doesn't stop here because there's additional ways where we need to inform, learn, train, and support our users, right? So for example, if they're looking at notices and don't know what it is, an inline help like this, which was also created using VisualSP, can be put here. When they click on it, they see what notices is all about: general company announcements, etc. Right? If we wanted to push information to the employee when they're going, let's say, to the leave absence request screen here, and let's say we want to tell them that the leave management system is not going to be available at certain times. Here, there's a banner that was pre-configured using VisualSP. Again, without any code, just targeted to specific sites, to specific pages, letting them know here that the leave management system is not going to be available during some time. All these things and a whole lot more is available through VisualSP. I want to show you a couple more things over here. For example, if I go to OneDrive, now the context is different. I'm in OneDrive and I'm, as an employee, want to understand more about OneDrive. And maybe in addition to OneDrive, additional things which are coming from my organization. Well, guess what? The same tab that I showed you earlier is available here too. OneDrive Help. Now, if I click on this, I see information about OneDrive and also see information about my company if there's anything that's been pushed to me here. So for example, OneDrive Quick Reference. All contextual, very specific to what my company needs me to see. Any information that I get, I can always pop it out so I have it side by side, or maximize like that so I can see it while I'm doing my work. Right here, I can take tours of the application as well. This is all pre-built, supplied by VisualSP and curated and maintained. So it's giving me a tour of OneDrive in this case. Yeah. Or even certain things which I need for folks to understand how to do. For example, people have been asking me, how do we get the OneDrive dark mode? Well, if they click on this thing, or if they were just searching for it here, dark mode, and they click on dark mode, it guides them to first click on the gear, then turn on dark mode. How easy is that? Just like that. Okay, so many of these things all available contextually. Same thing in SharePoint. If I go here, it's completely contextual, giving me information that I need to know now regarding the intranet. So now this is the way where VisualSP and Viva Learning both can work together to inform, to support, to train your users within Viva Learning in Teams and also outside of Team in the browser with all of your other web applications. Reach out to us if you like, and we'll show you a private demo, and we can go from there. Thanks for watching.